We asked the Prime Minister about his promise to release his financial records now that a 2-week timeline he set has passed. Good evening and thanks for joining us for Primetime News. A special welcome to viewers on onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Doreen Samuels. Also this evening, government rushes to clarify the fate of the promised Harbour View to Port Antonio Highway.
The policemen and army personnel given a scathing review in the West Kingston report.
Murder-suicide in St. Elizabeth.
The Queen's Counsel who says a more senior attorney should replace Marley Malahoo Ford.
In the business news, the legislation is coming to extend the powers of the Fair Trading Commission.
There's also sports commentary, weather and prime time in the Primetime Newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
This evening, what do you think should happen to the officers whom the West Kingston Commission says should not be allowed to lead any security operations again?
Share your comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica and tweet us at Television Jam.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.